Hello everybody and welcome to Programmer Pikachu. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a character look when you press any button and animations work. So let's get started. First go to events here and press add a new empty event, or I don't know how to read it. Press add the condition and go to platform behavior, go to is on floor, select your player, go press OK, press add action, sprite, animations and image, change the animation by name. So press player and name your animation, stopping animation. My animation name is idle, so that's why I'm writing here. And press add condition. Where is it? Platform behavior, and is moving player. Press invert condition. OK, make sure you pressed it, and that's not for all. That I will now we are making animations. So second one, let's jumping, add condition, let's make jumping, platform behavior, and then is jumping. Where is it? Okay, here, player, and don't press this, just go press OK and press add action here, sprite, animations and image, change the animation, player to jumping. I copied that, so that's why I'm gonna copy, paste. I'm too lazy to write. So let's go to wait I didn't press the cross, so let's press here, add condition, platform behavior here, and is on floor, select player again, press OK, add action, is on floor. Sprite, change the animation, player, and write your walking animation name. I'll write it run, press OK. So again, add condition again, platform behavior, moving, and select player, You don't need to press invert condition, just press OK and it will be fine. So animation is done. Now let's try it out. So yeah, it's opened. Yeah. And animation is working. So let's make it turn around. Press add an empty event. Press add condition. Keyboard. Key pressed. And let's start with left. And press OK. Oh wait. Yeah, no problem. Okay. So add action. Search for flip. Okay, and press horizontally. Flip the object horizontally. Select an object. Press player. And press yes. And press OK. So when we press the left key, it will flip to left. And now we are gonna copy it. Copy paste. Okay. Change it to right. And press no to activate flipping. And that's all. Let's try it from my main menu. And make sure you saved your work. Just when power goes out, and I don't know, it will be better for you. So you can do this to second one. I already did. You can just delete the scene too and copy paste it, and then change the name to my game scene 2 and change everything for me there. So let's try it out. I will pause the video. So yeah, game opens. Let's click. And it works, yeah. It works. Let's try jumping. That's cool. Let's go to second one. As I said, I did these to second one too, and added some parkour here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and goodbye. Woohoo!